Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to take a look at the code completion stuff in VA Smalltalk. And I've gone through this before, but I wanted to show you how configurable this is. So let's just start off in here with a browser that I've already got open, and we'll just start typing something. We'll just try to assign foo something, and you notice that foo is not declared in this method, so we get the little squiggly underlines. So that's what you expect to see, but if you don't like squiggly underlines, if you have trouble seeing those, let's close the browser, open up Options, and we'll go to Code Assist, Configure, and in here you have a couple of options here. Let's go down here to Indicators, and we'll stay with compiler errors, and we'll change that from squiggle to something obvious, strikeout, and we'll also go to unimplemented methods, and we'll change that from squiggle down to strikeout, so that either way we're going to get strikeout. So let's push that aside. Now we'll open up the browser again. So browse applications. We'll go in here to this guy, we'll pick behavior again, and we'll go over here and hit private. Select the method, and now what we'll do is we'll come in here and we'll just start typing foo : equals, and you notice when the compiler comes through it strikes it out. Now maybe a little hard to see, but in any case you've noticed that it's strikeout instead of squiggle, and that might be a little easier to see than what you had before. Point is, if you go into this tool, you can change almost everything in here, and indicators are just the start. Notice that there's bracket highlights, call tips, code completion. So for call tips, for instance, you can change the pop-up delay from 500 milliseconds to less or more. You can turn that off. So all of these things you can turn on and off. Notice there's conditions on all of these. If you don't like them, you can just turn them off. You can turn on more than are there, and you can always, if you've forgotten what the defaults are and just want to reset it, you can always restore the defaults. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.